In this video, you'll learn how to resize a calendar in Notion. By following these steps, you will be able to adjust the calendar layout to better fit your workspace and enhance your productivity. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Notion. Once the page loads, make sure you are logged into your account to access your workspace. Next, look for the option labeled Add EDA Page on the sidebar. Click this button to create a new page where your calendar will be located. This action opens a new blank page for you to customize. After that, you will need to click on the title area of the page. This is where you can enter a name for your new calendar page. Choose a title that reflects the purpose of the calendar to make it easily identifiable later. Once you have typed in the title, click on any blank space within the page. This action ensures that you are ready to add new content to your page. It is important to click on a blank area to avoid any unintended formatting issues. Now, type in /calendar in the blank space. This command will prompt Notion to suggest different calendar options. This is a key step as it allows you to insert a calendar block into your page. Following this, click on the option labeled Calendar View from the list of suggestions. By selecting this, you will create a new calendar that is ready for you to customize further. Next, click on another blank space within the page. This ensures that you can continue adding elements to your calendar layout without disruption. Continue by clicking on yet another blank space. This step is necessary to maintain the flow of adding components to your calendar and allows for better organization. Then type in /columns to add a column layout to your page. This feature will help you arrange your calendar in a more structured way, making it visually appealing and functional. After typing this command, click on the option for 2 columns. This will create 2 columns on your page, allowing you to resize your calendar effectively. Next, locate the 6 dots on the calendar block you just created. Clicking on these dots will enable you to manipulate the calendar's size and position within the columns. Finally, drag the calendar block to the desired column to resize it. Adjusting the size in this manner allows you to create a layout that fits your needs and preferences. Once you release the mouse button, the calendar will be resized accordingly.